Python is an object-oriented programming language. It provides an easy-to-understand language with a simple format and clear syntax. This programming language is free and is often applied to many web applications and software programs, and to solve mathematical problems. Primarily, to run a Python program, you should have it installed in your computer. Let's learn how to install the Python application. Open a web browser. Go to the Python official website https://www.python.org/downloads/. The Python home page appears. Click Download Python 3.9.6. The Save As dialog box appears. Now browse to the required location as per your preference. Click the Save button. The python.exe file is saved in your computer. The file gets downloaded in the Downloads folder on the computer. Go to the location or the folder where the file has been saved. To install the Python, double-click the python.exe file. The Python setup wizard appears. Click Install Now. The install setup begins. Once the application has been installed, the Setup was successful screen appears. Click the Close button. The Python application has been installed on your system.